I want you to think about the last time you felt truly let down, that hollow feeling in your chest when a friend did not call, a partner did not show up the way you needed, or a project you poured your soul into did not get the recognition it deserved. We usually blame them. We say, how could they do this to me? But if we are being brutally honest, if we are sitting here in the dark, just you and me, the person who hurt you was not them, it was the version of them you created in your head. There is a saying that's been circling my mind lately. Do not keep expectations from anyone because the second name of expectation is pain. Today I want to talk about why we do this to ourselves and how to finally stop. Expectation is essentially an unwritten contract that you signed on behalf of someone else without ever telling them. You have written a script for how your parents should act, how your friends should support you, and how the world should reward your hard work. And when they do not follow that script, which they will not because they have their own scripts to follow, you feel betrayed. But here is the psychological truth: expectation is a form of control. We use it to try and make the world predictable because the truth that people are inconsistent and life is chaotic is too scary to face. So we build these pedestals for people to sit on, and then we get angry when they fall off. But they never asked to be up there in the first place. Think about how much energy you spend living in the should. He should have known I was upset. They should have realized how hard I am working. Every should is a brick in the wall of your own suffering. When you live in a state of constant expectation, you are essentially handing the keys to your happiness to everyone around you. You are saying, here you hold my peace of mind. If you behave exactly how I want, I will be happy. If you do not, I will be miserable. Does that sound like a way to live? It's a gamble where the house always wins and you are the one left bankrupt. We call it hope or standard, but often it's just a setup for resentment. And resentment is the poison you drink while hoping the other person dies. It eats you from the inside out. So, what's the alternative? Do we just stop caring? Do we become cold, cynical people who never trust anyone? No, that's not the answer. The answer is moving from expectation to appreciation. Think about it. When you expect something, you are looking for a specific result. If it does not happen, you lose. But when you appreciate what shows up, you are always winning. This is the core of Stoicism, recognizing what is in your control and what is not. You can control your kindness, your work ethic, and your boundaries. You cannot control how anyone else responds to them. When you drop the expectations, something almost miraculous happens. You start seeing people for who they actually are, not who you need them to be. You stop trying to squeeze water out of a stone. If someone is not capable of showing up for you, you do not get angry at the stone. You just stop expecting it to be fountain. This is where the healing starts. You take those keys to your happiness back. You say, my peace is my responsibility. If a friend helps you, it's a beautiful gift, not a debt paid. If a video you make goes viral, it's a bonus, not a validation of your worth. If someone loves you back, it's a miracle, not a requirement. When you live like this, you become unshakable because your foundation is not built on the shifting sands of other people's behavior. It's built on your own internal resilience. You start to realize that expectation was just a shadow you were chasing. The second you stop chasing it, the pain stops following you. You are finally free to just be. And I'm not saying that this is easy. We are wired to want reciprocity. We want the world to be fair. But the world is not fair, it's just the world. And people are not good or bad, they are just people, struggling with their own scripts, their own baggage, and their own pain. So, for the next 24 hours, I want you to try something. Every time you feel that flicker of disappointment, ask yourself, did they fail me or did my expectation fail me? Let go of the should, embrace the is, because the moment you stop waiting for the world to give you what you think you are owed, is the moment you realize you already have everything you need. Take care of your mind. I will see you in the next one.